Okay, guys, this is Animal Company. I'm wanting my friend.
Hello.
So yeah, we're 1v1ing in arena map. Yeah. Should we start the round?
By the way, whoever's new,
I should do something. Wait.
Whoever's new to this channel, yeah, he's a cool guy. You should subscribe to him if you haven't.
He's going to make his own channel later, so yeah, go subscribe to him. He's going to be like, what's your channel name?
I'm gonna have a channel soon. The name's gonna be Random We Are Guy.
Oh, okay. So
I'm gonna say which video I should post up, like Bone Lab, Animal Company, like any of those. So you should
subscribe to him. He's a cool guy. Okay, start the round. Let's go.
Start it! Start it! Start it! You have
what
to hold
it. I'm going to be just camping.
Ready to lose?
Yes.
Bro, you said rest. Yes too.
Okay, where are you? Hey, he's mining mine! He's mining mine! Hey! Yeah! Never. Yo, what the heck? Did they just one-shot you? Bro, I didn't know you were going to be behind me.
I know every trick in the book.
Stop camping, stop. Bro, that was like crazy. Blah, 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 blah. Bro, I'm actually winning him in the 1v1. Yes!
Ah!
Beat out! Beat out!
Okay, I'm going hard mode now.
Get out! Yeah, go hard mode, bro.
Go suck my.
Hey, yo!
Sorry about that.
That's okay. You're my new assistant. That's okay.
I'm not family friendly. I'm not like used to.
No, that's okay. You're my new assistant. So guys, he might be not in every video because he's not online. Like, you know. Why are you hiding in those cheeks?
Maybe because they smell good.
Hey, get out!
Go. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Hey, yeah.
Should we? Let's start the round.
I'm gonna buy a flashlight. Bro, I have one nut. I have one nut. Look. Oh no, I forgot. Start. Oh, I'm not gonna be red.
Ready to be clapped?
Hey, get out! You're gay. Bro, I got one. Suck my dick. Suck it. I said suck it and you killed me. No, I'm actually losing this. What's up?
Yippee, man.
Bro, I'm mining this ore. Why am I bad at shotgun? I think I'm better than revolvers. I'm scared. I'm losing this. Oh, I'm actually losing
coming.
this. No, you don't. No! How did you do it? Bro, I thought you're dead. No.
Do you like this mode? No.
I like this mode. Say yes.
No, you
Say
don't. Ah!
What the hell? What the hell?
Come here.
What the hell? Get out!
Yeah.
Get out! Get out! Get out!
Get out! I wish I had a friend launcher. I can just get out.
Yeah, do.
I don't have many. I don't know why. I only have one.
Oh, bro, start the round, bro. Start the round. This is the last round.
Wait.
You know the new game mode?
Yes. Should we make a video? Guys, subscribe if we should make a hardcore video mode. I said get out my base.
I said get out of my peep.
No! Bro! No! Camper!
I'm low.
Yes!
How? Oh no.
Kill me! No, you're not coming. You're not coming. Yo!
You're insane, so that's not okay.
Bro, you were insane. That's not it.
I just killed him one shot. Get out! We killed each other. How? Bro, how is this even possible? I guess I like the way the novel bad. I love it, babies. rifle.
You didn't even shoot me. You just.
Bro, I was punching you with a pickaxe thing. Stop hiding there.
Oh, I have no ammo, okay? That was the
I know. Yo, I'm out of ammo. Sabadik. Stop being in a safe zone. Bro, I tried to kill you.
I'll revive you.
No, you don't. You will kill me.
Bro, I
I'm
was
gonna
gonna revive you.
I know you.
This shotgun's so low.
Just
Ow.
I was in safe zone.
da.
No, I'm going bad boy.
You're getting banned. You're getting banned. Bro, I killed you 3 times, bro. Like 4 times.
I'm going bad boy mode.
No, you don't. Bro, you're going bad boy mode. Hey, you camper.
I love the boys.
Are you hiding?
Maybe.
Hey, stop, bad boy. No! Bro, I think we're not winning this 1v1, guys.
I said I was going bad
Yes! Victory! Yes!
No.
Yeah! I won the 1v1, guys! So, bye and